In this video, we are going to talk about bicyclic compounds. So I'm going to teach you how to name compounds like this, and I'm going to teach you how to name compounds like this. Then I also teach you the various concepts on how to understand bicyclic compound. Then we're going to look at what if they're having a substrate like this compound you're seeing here and this compound you're seeing here. So you really want to stick to the end of this video and take down every single thing. You get. If you have any question, please always leave it at the comment section. I will respond to that. So let's get started. So now, when we talk about bicyclic compound, what do you mean? Now, if you have something like this, it's called cyclo. From what I've called cyclohexane. You get, so I've done a lot of videos on how to name alkanes, organic word compounds. I'll leave some link at the description below, or you see the video at the end of the video here. So they call cyclo compound is one uh, ring, right? Now, but when you talk about bi means two. For matter of fact, if you have something like this is called bicycle. You get that? So when you have two fused to each other, it's called bicycle. Now this one I call just cycle. It's called bicycle. Do you get that? So now in bicycle compound, there are some key things you need to take note of. Now this one here is only having one. So yeah, how many carbon atoms do we have? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you get that? Now, but this one here, because I fuse them together, I have 2 points where they connect. I have this one here. Now let's just say here is A, and here is what is B. Now I have this side, I have this side. Now where they fuse to each other, there are two carbon atoms that will connect them together. You get, so they are what the bridge carbon. The bridge what carbon? The bridge carbon is that point where you connect what the two ring. You get, so if you want to actually name it here, now this side has its own mass of carbon, this side has its own mass of carbon here. So A parts, how many carbon are you seeing here? Remember, each point represents a carbon atom. You get, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, this side have 4 carbon atoms. You get, what about this side? This side 1, 2, 3, 4. This side also have what? 4 carbon atoms. Now, but there's a demarcation here. You get, now this demarcation here between this point and this point, there is no carbon atom here. You get, so that is, this side is having 4, this side is having 4. Then the middle that is separated them, like the bridge point, there's no carbon. You get, so here we have 4, 4, and 0. Here we have 4, 4, and what 0. How do we name it? Therefore, you start what with bicycle. You get bicycle, so you can say bicycle. Then open your bracket and close it. Now, the numbers of carbon atom here we have 4, here we have 4, here we have 0. You get. Now, the reason why is so because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, I didn't count these 2 points, so you still have two carbon that I don't count. The reason why I didn't count it because is the what is the bridge between two of them. So now you must always start from the highest to the lowest. So you have 4, 4, 0. You get. The next is what calculate the total numbers of what carbon. Remember, we have 4 carbon here, we have 4 carbon here, making it 8. Then these two making what 10. So the 10th members of the alkane is called what decane. Decane. So it's going to be bicyclo 440 decane. You see how easy it is? It's not that as difficult as people think. Now let's check on that one. Something like this. How do we name this one here? How do we name this one here? So remember, you must actually always take note of what all the carbon bridge. Then it's the point that connect two of them, right? So if you look at this side, this side have 2.1, 2. This side have what 2.1, 2. Now the middle one, all like when you have this all the other time. Now this point here, there's no carbon, but here it's not just straight. You have 2 points here. So here we have 2 carbon. You get, so this side we have 2, this side we have 2, and this side we have 2. You get, so what would that be the what the total name? So remember, you are actually starting what bicycle because it's a fused ring. So you have bicycle, right? Then bracket open with the bracket close. Here we have 2, 2, 2, right? Next to what get the total numbers of carbon atom. Here we have two make me 4, 6. These 2 point make me what 8. So the total numbers of carbon atom is what is 8. So you're going to be what octane. Going to be what octane. You get. If you have something like this, go ahead, do it on your pause the video. Pause the video, go ahead and do this one here. I want to see your answer in the comment section. Go ahead, do this one here. I want to see your answer in the comment section. You get. Pause the video and try this. So if you have done that, so let's do it together. Here we have when you look at it very well, here we have these two bridge here. 1, 2, right? So when you look at this one here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So at this point I have what 4. Here I have what 2. Now from here to here there is no point, so there's no carbon atom here. You get. So going to be now because it's a fuse, you can go to be what bicyclic. Bicyclic. Here we have 2, here we have 4, here we have 2, here we have what 0. So going to be 4, 2, 0, right? The next one to get the total numbers of carbon. Now this 4 represent 4 carbon here. This will represent what 2 carbon atom. Remember there are 2 points we have not counted. So 4 plus 2 is what? 4 plus 2 is what? 6 plus 2 here is going to be 8. The 8 members of the alkane is what? Octane. Octane. You get. So that would be new also here. Hope you got that. So now let's do some practice problem. So you can go ahead and see pause the video, then name those things inside your notes. You get. Then confirm if it is correct or not. So let's number this one here. Now you already understood the concept here. So here we have this side, here we have this side. So how many carbon atoms do you have here? 1, 2. How many do you have here? 1, 2, 3. How many do you have here? Here is 1. So here we have 3, 2, and 1. Right? So now we're going to be what? Bicycle. So we're going to be what? Bicycle. So 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So the numbers of atoms here. 3 plus 2 plus 1, going to give what 6. Plus 2 here, you're going to give what 8. So the total numbers of carbon is going to be what 8. So we're now going to be octane. So we're going to be bicyclo 3, 2, 1 octane. Do you understand? So then you have to do it here. Then let's look at this one here. Now, the common mistake with so many students make is that they go and put a point here. There's no point here. If you look at something here, I've seen a lot of people making mistake here. So now we only have two sides here, and this other one here. So this is just like it's just now it's supposed to be like this. Like this one is also the same thing as this guy here, as this guy. It's okay, but that it now pushes up like this. Do you get that? So there's no point here. So when some students see stuff here, is that why can't here be points? No, it is points. That is if there's a carbon atom here, that is add 3 ring, which is not supposed to be so. You get. So there's no carbon here, just like uh this one point at and bracket it here. You get. So you don't need to make that mistake here. It's okay. You don't need to make that mistake. Don't want to make that mistake. So you want to name this one here. Here we have 1, 2. Here we have 1, 2. Here we have 1, 2. You get. So the 2 bridge here, carbon here, carbon here. So when we have 2, 2 out and 2. Do that. Out and 2. So we're going to be what? By cycle. Here we have 2, 2, 2. Right? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, making what 8. You get. So it will be what? Octane. So it will be bicyclo 2, 2, 2 what? Octane. Because here we have 2, here we have 2, here we have what 2. You get 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 and these two carbon here will make what 8, and the 8 members of the alkane is called octane. So let's look at this one here. So I believe you all can try some here. So here we have 1, 2, right? 1, 1. So here is going to be what? Bicycle. Here we have 2, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1. Right? Here we have 2 plus 1, making what 4. Plus this 2, what? Making what? Uh, plus this 2. 2 plus 1 plus 1, making what 4. Right? Plus this 2, making what 6. So going to be what? Hexane. Hexane. You get that is it. Next one to do here is what? This one and this one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. So here we have 3, 1, 1, right? So go to do it by cycle, right? By cycle, you have 3, 1, 1. It's okay because here is 1, right? Then adding together, we have 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5, 6, 7. So we got 18. You see that? I say how easy it is. Then this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Here we have 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3. Here we have 1 here. Right? So how do you name it here? What do you mean by cycle? By cycle. Here we have 4, 3, 1. Right? So 4 plus 3 plus 1 will give me what? 8. Right? Plus these two bridge here and here. Make me what? 10, right? 10. So what do you what? The king. You get, so you can see how easy it is to what knowing bicycle compound. So what about if you are the one that have substituents? So we are going to do two of that so you will understand this better. So let's look at. So how do you name this one here? Therefore, you want to know that this one is what is a substituent. Normally, if one, I think there is no substituent. I believe you all can name that. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. The here is what 0. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Here we going to be 3. Here going to be what 0, right? So let assume that there is no what bromine here. So what will happen now? It's going to be what by cycle 4, 4, 3, 0, right? Here we have 4 plus 3. We have what 7, 8, 9. Non. You get. So this is the what the parents. You get. Now there's that substrate here. What you want to know is that whenever a bicycle compound is having a substrate, one of the two carbon atom at the bridge, like this two carbon atom, then either here or here can be what like carbon one. You get. Another thing is that the side that is having more chain, you can't have you can't towards the, the one that is having what long chain. Now again, by here we have two chain here. Here we have this guy. We have this one here, right? Let us remove some first. Now this is having how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is having how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3. You get. So in saying that you must therefore consider what the longest chain before the shortest one. Hope you understand. So now I can either start from here to count from here to here, or start from here to count from here to here. Do you get that? So you say that this bromine must have the lowest possible number. If I start from here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to be 5 bromine. This one here, right? But if I start from here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you see that? So because bromine here is having what the low. If I start from this, now look at something here. Either here or here can be what like carbon because that is the bridge. That is the bridge. So if you have like carbon, bromine is going to be what 2. So going to be what 2 bromine. Then we have bicyclo 430. Then we have what none. You can see how easy it is, right? You can see how easy it is. So you don't really want to stress step here. Now let me give you one for you to try. So now let's name this one, right? So this here we have here going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So going to be what? B will come before C. Yes, so going to be two broom. Here we have what? Eight what? Chloro. Right? Bicyclo. Here we have one, two, three. One, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four. I won't make mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3. Here we have 0, 0. So total numbers of carbon out is what? 9. So going to be what? No name. So this is how to name it. I believe you have gotten tons of value from this video here. If you don't know how to name cycloalkanes, then you should check out this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe now and turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss out. You get. So check out this next video and I will see you there.